Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting vlog because we get to unbox the DJI Osmo Creators Combo. And the Creators Combo comes with the Osmo Pocket 3, a charging cable, the protective cover, carrying bag, mic 2 transmitter, the mic 2 magnet clip, the handle with the 1/4 thread, the DJI mic Wind 2 windscreen, battery handle, wide angle lens, DJI strap, and mini tripod. So let's go ahead and get this baby girl open. I should have had some type of my nails are sharp enough. So let's get this baby girl open. Let's see what she has to offer. So let's see. Okay, that was a little thin strip of nothing. This we gotta throw away because we have children and pets. This cannot get in their hands. So I need to leave that where I can see it and I can throw it away. So it comes like this, wrapped up. And then you get, oh cool, some DJI stickers, manual, the thing you need to download the app, which I already have the app. But yeah, these stickers I kind of want to put on my laptop because my husband just got me a laptop for Valentine's Day. So now let's see what comes in here. Okay, so this is a cover. Okay, I couldn't see anything else in there. It was dark. So that's the cover. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. So the Osmo Pocket 3, and then the cool thing I like about it, I got a protective case for it, and it goes over, and it also can carry 3 ND filters, as this one can carry the wide angle, which I most likely will replace it with the anamorphic wide angle lens, and put it in there, and then carry 3 different filters, like a CPL adjustable filter, because I have the ones I ordered. I have 2. One that goes from ND8 to ND32, which is the one I tend to use the most with the UV filter because I really don't crank it up, a notch unless it's really sunny. But the most I stay in between is 8 and 16. And then I have another one that goes from 32 to 500 or 200. So of course I will never use that. Then I have another kit lens from KNF Concept, and there's one ND filter that's times 1,000, which I will never use. That is like the darkest ND filter you can get, but that one is one that I will hardly ever use unless it's like super bright ass sunny day and my camera is going to be facing the sun. Then that is something I would reach for, but for now I just stick to the basic polarized CPL, UV, ND filters, but that will come in my next vlog when I'm unboxing the accessories. This is just about the Osmo. So we got the case. Now everything comes in here. I also got me a camera bag, a backpack. because I got other cool features that goes onto the backpack that I can get POV shots. If you don't know what POV stands for, point of view shots. So I can strap the Osmo on my backpack and I can get POV shots of where I'm going. So yeah. And here it is. Here is everything. Okay, let's start with this. This is the battery. One of the batteries I'm gonna have to charge. So, keeping all the mess in one place. What else do we have here? The tripod. This tripod alone costs $20 freaking on Amazon. So we got a tripod. Let's see what else we got. Changing cord, the wind muff, and the wrist strap. The wrist strap. And the wind muff. And then we got the charger cable. Another poison. Wow. This is a magnet that goes to the microphone, but it is so tiny. I would have missed it if I didn't really pay attention to what I'm looking at. I would have missed it. Okay, let's put this on the mic. Wow, that's a strong magnet. So we got the little mic here. Now, where's the little wind muff? So there we go. We got the little mic with the wind muff. What is this? Oh, so I guess this is extended battery. I expect it to be a lot bigger. This seems bigger on the videos. And then this is the smaller battery that we'll be charging. We'll be charging both tonight, but that's just a smaller one that came with it. Now, okay, so let's put that back there for now. And then we have the wide angle lens. I specifically bought two separate wide angle lenses, anamorphic wide angle lens and another wide angle lens by K&F Concept, because their wide angle lens is way better than the DJI one. But here is the wide angle lens. Put it in here, because we're not going to use it. And last, lo and behold, the main event. Oh my god, she is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And it's on. It's on. Okay, let's set up English. Okay. I'm gonna need my phone for this one. Let's see, where is my app? Connect. Accept. Agree. Okay, it's activating. Swipe left from edge to enter playback. Okay. Activation code. Check requirements. Please enter verification code. Okay. H J 3 D 3. What is the activation code? Okay, let's change this to 4K 30 frames per second. Okay. And then we do want to go to this one. I'm just fixing the settings real quick to my likings. Enable face tracking. Okay, and then create an, no, that's not custom modes. What is this? Screen rotate capture, last settings, video. Okay, and then what else? Flow, tilt locked. Okay, then we don't want to do that. This default. Okay, then we want to do pro, auto white balance, color, normal 10-bit. What is that one? Image adjustment. Confirm. Okay, and then the microphone. On, okay. So now the color looks completely washed out compared to, if you can see, it's gonna be really hard, but the color looks washed out compared to how my color looks on this camera, because I am gonna be recording on ProRes D-Log-M because I do want more features that I have access to, and I have more control of the color grading, the picture ratio and all that. So it does look washed out, like it's completely grayed out. But if you know your color grading, then this shouldn't be a problem, because I color grade all my pictures, videos, everything. I try to get them perfect. So now let's install the SD card. Oh shoot, sorry. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna get the SD card out of my wallet. If I can find it and where I put it, because it's so tiny. Oh my god, where did it go? Okay, I don't know where the little SD card went, and that is not a good sign. It has to be in this pile of stuff. So now it's not in here, so maybe I threw it in here. Oh no. I found my big SD card I was looking for. Gilbert, you're gonna hate me. You're gonna so hate me. Look what I found in my wallet. I found $20 in my wallet, guys. Wow. Okay, well, we can't find the SD card right now. I will find that a little bit later. But this is all that came with it. I am trying to activate this, but for some reason it's not letting me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is a really pretty cool case. The only thing I don't like is the fact that I can't put any of my filters in here or any of their accessories. It's just the ones that come with it. So I am going to look for a bigger case. If not, I can just put my accessories in this case for now and then organize the rest of my accessories in my backpack. So I'm not going to be carrying all ND filters. So I'm only going to be carrying the ones I'm using, and the ones I'm not using, I'm leaving them in my little equipment basket. And yeah, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog unboxing. I still have to play around with this some more. I have to activate it. It's not fully activated, and I want to like figure this out on the camera. I'll figure this out after. I'll also find the little SD card because I know I have an SD card I came up on. It was actually, I found it. It was a 1 terabyte, $8 gift SD card. I was like, what the hell? Who's gonna lose this? But anyways, I found it. I need to look for it now, and yeah. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was everywhere. It was a mess, but like I said, I'm still trying to figure things out, and I will be doing my accessory unboxing tomorrow once I get the rest of my accessories. With that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So we are testing to see how this camera does, and we are getting footage for the vlog. So right now it looks pretty washed out. I'm looking at the screen because I am recording on ProRes, D-Log M, and I set the settings to my custom. And yeah, I spent quite a bit of time setting it up and getting it registered and whatnot. So I really love the microphone. I love the fact that you can stop recording, start recording, pause, and all the good stuff with this mic. I will be using it more with the magnet, clip it right here. So it's still be able to pick up my voice and it's not going to the red. Because if it goes to the red, it will sound distorted. So that's how far I'm going to keep the microphone to myself. Just put it right here and it's still perfectly catching me really good. So this is really, really good. So now let's transfer this over and color grade it. My dog is having a nightmare. Well, let's transfer this over and color grade it and we'll see how it does. So let me know what you guys think of this footage on the Osmo 13. Jesus Christ. They're on the 3 and I'm on the 13. But anyways, let me know how it sounds, how it goes, and all the good things. So see you later, alligator.